Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to Cinema Goggles. This is Vishali.
And I'm Yugina.
And today we are back with another Blackpink video. And it's called Boombaya, if I'm
Yes.
pronouncing it
yes.
right. Yeah, so it's
Yeah.
Boombaya by Blackpink and it's very exciting since it's their debut song.
Yes.
Yes, so.
I have heard the song, by the way.
Oh, you have? Have you seen the music
Yeah.
video?
No, I've just heard the song.
Okay.
It's nice. Bombaya.
No,
Oh,
no
sorry.
spoilers.
No
No
spoilers.
spoilers.
No spoilers. Yes, no spoilers.
I am very
Okay.
excited for this one because I am always up for the older stuff that big
Yeah.
of the big groups or big artists that we see today. Where did they start from? It was so cool to see No More Dreams, and so yeah, I'm really
Yeah.
looking forward to this one as well. And
Yes.
Nai,
And
yeah, go ahead.
I'm just saying that it's not going to disappoint you.
I'm pretty sure of that. Also, now I have started recognizing all four of them.
Ah.
Yeah. Yeah, I have been watching a lot of
That's
Blackpink
good.
as well, off camera, so.
Yeah, she is.
So, shall we start?
Yes.
Okay. Boom Baya, 1.2 billion views. Jenny is on the thumbnail, right?
Uh-huh. Yes.
See, I recognize her even with a chewing gum in her. Okay. This does not look like a debut song, I'm sorry. Ooh.
Oh my god.
Jisoo. I really love Lisa. Her voice is so different, so unique. Rose with red hair.
And here it comes!
Oh! I mean, if this is a debut song, obviously no one could stop them after this. Wow, I love the step.
Oh yeah!
Oh, wow. She's on fire.
Oh my god!
This step is so hard.
I know, right?
Oh, for a second I thought Jenny was doing that step.
Oh, that was so
Yeah. Yeah, you are. Wow, this is such a party song. Opa!
Oh my god!
Wow, I love this. Okay, that's it.
Whoa.
Wow.
Oh my god. Oh my god, this song was so different, and I mean, listen, this song for like a debut song,
Exactly.
it was like too much.
Like,
It felt like millions were invested in this particular
yeah,
song.
I'm really, really curious to know what label do they work under. Like,
JYP.
so is that like a really big, like,
Yeah.
because
I think, and it's also a meme material.
also how old is this song? This looks so recent. It's 2016.
2016?
They debuted in 2016.
Oh my goodness.
Like it took them like I'm guessing it took them like not even a year or 2 years to reach at the top. This is insane.
Wait, I am confused about one thing. I don't think it's JYP. Why I think it's YG Entertainment.
I mean,
confused.
whatever label that is, they debuted in
I think
2016.
it's YG.
I am
Yeah,
not over
they
that.
did.
I am not over that fact.
And in 2016, they had this look, like this hippie look.
Yeah, I mean 2016
Street
is
style.
I mean 2016 is not that long ago. And they are the Blackpink now. I mean, obviously, if you debut like this, people are gonna go crazy.
Exactly. I mean, not for once it felt like, okay, there's any low budget thing going
Yeah.
on. Oh my god, it was way too much.
Like-
way too much.
Yeah, like they started with like a lot of investment and everything, you know. Like contrary to, I mean, it feels like I'm comparing, but I'm not comparing. But we just have one other K-pop group that we are really into, right? So
Yeah.
that's BTS. So we are going to compare these two. So in comparison to that, they like it's almost 8 years since they debuted, right? And Blackpink is on that level now. When they debuted in 2016.
But then, but you know, that's the thing, that BTS debut with nothing in their hand.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
that
yeah.
agency was at the beginning of everything, and they debuted with already established firm. But we don't know that it was established or not.
I am guessing it was. I am guessing for sure it has to be like.
Because there was, oh my god, it was so expensive.
Yeah, I mean,
It was
like,
so expensive.
can you imagine? Like, I'm not sure how long ago Blackpink made it, but I am guessing that they have been in the game, like on the top, since 2 to 3 years already. So that means in a couple of years, they were like on the top. That's crazy, dude.
Yeah. Yeah.
They've
and
always been
yeah,
up.
You know, you can see. Now I know that why this song has this poppy and hippie and street style vibe, because that's how they debuted. This song was so much. I mean, the hairstyle, it was so freaking good. Hairstyle and that Lisa's rap, Rose's
Yeah.
angelic voice,
Like, it did not
just
feel like a
those
debut at
visuals.
all. It did not feel like a
Yeah.
debut.
It felt like another song. Okay, hit song.
If I didn't know already that Mumbai is like their debut song, I wouldn't have even in my wildest dreams thought that it can be a debut song for some group. Never.
Yeah.
It's crazy, man.
Yeah,
Like
this
it
song
like
is
all I can
huge.
think about now is that they reach the level that people not even in their lifetime can reach. So
Yes.
Blackpink is pretty. So you had a lot to say about the song.
No, it's just the vibe they gave. Okay, the four of us had this different vibe going on, but yet it was so similar.
Yeah.
And for the first time, I felt like all of them were looking like badass, like all of them simultaneously, or it's just like one of the particular member is looking like in a certain way. But oh my god, this whole concept and the hook step,
Yeah.
you know, and then they're doing this like, it felt like Indian for some time.
Yeah. I was
Step,
also about to
they
say
did.
the step that they were doing. It was so Indian, so Asian. Man.
I'm still checking what label are they in? Because I'm totally curious. Yeah, it's YG.
YG? I don't really know, but it has to be
Yes.
like pretty big. YG.
Yeah, I thought it's JYP, but no, it's YG. Thankfully, it's YG. I don't like JYP.
Why?
I'll tell you behind the cameras.
Oh, okay.
Not something good. But anyway, yeah. So this
So
song
yeah, this song was
was lit.
not at all what I expected. First of all, I was expecting something really old and
Yes.
really like
Yeah.
you know,
I
debut
think,
kind of a
that's
song.
that's why they hit milestones, because it was not the stereotypical kind of girl group band. It
Yes,
was more
exactly,
like,
exactly. And that's what Blackpink stands for, right? Black and pink. These are the two
yes,
colors.
pink.
Yeah.
Exactly, yeah. I just love this one. I think.
Me too.
So far I had the favorite like Do Do Do, Hit You with the Do Do Do. I had that favorite from Blackpink, but now no, I have Bombaya. I have heard this song, but never watched it. But oh my god, it was a treat.
Yeah, it was indeed. It was indeed. Thank you so much for this recommendation, guys. We both enjoyed it a lot. It was an amazing experience. Keep recommending more Blackpink songs. We would love to check them out because we are falling in love with
Yes.
Blackpink more and more day by day.
Yes.
And if you like this video, give it a like, share this with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, follow us on Instagram,
Yes.
and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Yes.